So now we go back to AP Trans, and we are using the summarize command. So going to summarize AP Trans on vendor number and subtotal on all numeric fields. So these are all the numbers that are, all the items here that are actually numbers. Now some of these look like numbers, but they aren't actually numbers, like invoice number, for example. See how it's right, left aligned, and the right is not all sorted. That's not actually numbers. So what we're going to do is we pretty much go to analyze and summarize, and I'll leave all those out. I have sneak suspicion. Okay, they're the fields that are actually able to be subtotaled. So subtotal on all numeric fields, so I'll add them all in, 1, 2, 3. Invoice amount, quantity, unit cost. So going left to right, along the top, vendor number, vendor name, vendor city, obviously not numbers. Invoice number isn't a number because it's all text. Invoice date, nope. Invoice amount, yes. Product number, nope. Quantity, yep. Unit cost, yep. I'll just show you how I know that. If I go up onto that tag there, I can see numeric, numeric, and quantity, which is a micro number. Okay, so those are the number ones that are there. Go back to here and reanalyze, choose summarize, invoice amount, quantity, unit cost. We're summarizing on vendor number, summarize on vendor number, and click pre-sort, which is here, and save as SumVen. So we're going to output it to an ACL table called SumVen, and click OK. That created a table called SumVen, vendor number, invoice amount, quantity, unit cost, and count. Okay, so there we go. We have what we need. So we get a count record showing us how many counts there are of that. So that's a nice little summary of the vendor table. View the types of fields in SumVen. What type are they? So we just got to that table thing there. ACL, 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 Unicode. Okay. So all of those are now numbers, and that's all good. Vendor number, invoice amount, those are numbers, category N. So ACL is a special type of number. Okay, so that takes care of A. V, sort the file on invoice amount. So I'm going to close that little window down. Sort the file on invoice amount. So that's our summary table. So we should be able to go to, I think, data and sort by invoice amount. I can click there to do that for invoice amount as a default. Click OK. Okay, what I'm going to do is send that to another table, SumVen sort, as we're asked to do. So SumVen sort. Use output table, click OK. Save the changes, yes. We've now got SumVen sort opened. So it's gone from smallest to highest. So that's good. That's what I wanted to do. We now need to export the resulting file as an Excel spreadsheet and name it Audit SumVen. So you can see here, we started off with AP Trans. We made a summary table, and then we're making a new sort table over here. This one's actually sorted in a meaningful way. I'm going to go and export this data. Data export. I want all the data. So just to be sure I put it all there. Give it a file name, so I click on 2. And I'll just put it into this directory here. Call it SumVen sort. Click save. It's going to export it as Excel. It's got a number of options there. We're going to stick with ACL005 and worksheet like that. Click OK. Minimize that. Just do this the old-fashioned way. There's some bit of sort. Let's open that up. So I'm opening up in Libra, of course. But here's my Excel spreadsheet, which I can look at, and I can do all sorts of weird and wonderful things in there. But it's all sorted exactly how I want it to be. This could be a schedule in my work papers. I could import it into my caseware or whatever. This is a schedule that I would use to back up my assertions at the time. So that's the export. And we've opened it up as well, so that's all good. Audit sum then. And report the results in the log using the report function. So again, we go back to our ACL. And what I'm going to do is report this vendor table that we created. So all I need to do is go data, report, give it a header that I want. Just give it my special heading. Give it a footer, my special heading. You would actually use the name of the work paper or schedule you are writing. Okay, and click OK. Oh, there we go. Do that again. Put it to the screen. Click OK. And there's our. Well, what I'm going to do is I'll close these two down so that when I click this, there's my report. Okay, and then my special heading is there, so that's all good. And what you'll see is I do have the one I mucked up in there. I'm going to remove that, I think. Delete selected items. So my report is still there, and I can still keep that and keep that forever and a day. So that's exercise 5.